Hi Stitch Cuties, I'm Julie with Stitches of Love Quilting and it's day 16 of Stitch 365. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to use an applique pressing sheet. Now what I have here is some pieces from our July mug rug, and if you'll notice, well, this is a little surfboard over here. The only surfboard I'm ever going to come in contact with most likely, but anyway, how this works is you would peel your backing off and you would place it in position. Just lightly tap it with your warm iron so it stays there where it belongs. Then you would put your next piece on, again peeled, and then I would tap that in the proper position. And it only needs a few little taps just so it stays, and so on. You get the idea. You would then put your little flower on in the center of your flower. Hopefully you would position it properly and tap them on. Once your applique pressing sheet cools, then you can peel your little surfboard off in one unit and it's ready to be applied to your background fabric. So we hope that you've enjoyed this little tip, and happy stitching.